If you want to see what I think of this diffuser, continue watching. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lydia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so muning in for this week's video. I am super excited for this week's video because I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinion and review on this diffuser. This is not sponsored. This is my honest opinion. This was my risk. I bought this baby off of Amazon and I was like, all right, let's give her a shot. So here we go. We're just gonna jump right in to today's video. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you guys close-ups of the diffuser itself. So I'm going to get out of the frame. Oh, here she is. Okay, as you can see, she is a little different than the regular diffusers. One of the things that attracted me to buying this is because how small the width is. Because usually diffusers are like this big and they're clunky and they're hard to carry or hold. But yeah, guys, this is what she looks like. She's beautiful. She's okay. Now I'm just gonna share with you guys really quickly a few of the highlights about this specific diffuser and then we're just gonna get out of here. So my first favorite thing about this product is that it is so lightweight, because when I'm diffusing my hair, even though I work out, my arms get really tired because usually your diffuser is clunky and big and it's hard to manage and hold. The one thing that I can give this a point for is that it's lightweight. The next thing is that it's so easy to hold. I mean, you hold every hair dryer the same, but what I'm talking about is when you're diffusing, usually there's this big clunky thing, and I used to like have to hold on to the back of it if I wanted to get like the roots, but since this is so thin and literally so easy to work around, I don't have to do that anymore, and guys, it literally just makes my life so much easier. Please ignore that. But yeah, that's probably my favorite thing I would say about this hairdryer slash diffuser is because it is so thin and light, and I have not seen a design like this, and I think there needs to be more like this. The next thing that I love about this diffuser is that it takes up like no space at all in your storage. So I have to like store all of my hair products underneath the sink, and I have this whole organizational drawer thing, but guys, I remember having old diffusers that would just take up so much room in your drawers, or just, it was clunky, it was huge, and you have the big old claw thing that makes it even longer. It's a struggle, but guys, this is so perfect. Like, it doesn't take up a lot of space, it lays flat, it's not like this tall, and so it can't fit underneath your sink if you have stuff in it. It literally is a dream, and it's so easy to travel with. I would never bring my diffuser with me because it would just take up way too much space, and I was just not about it. I was like, I'll just air dry. But guys, this is so easy to travel with. That is another thing that I love about this diffuser. The next thing I love about it, of course, I will only buy diffusers that have a cool switch, because I predominantly will dry my curls on cool setting, and then sometimes I will switch to warm. Also, I like buying diffusers with a warm setting because I never diffuse my hair on hot, because that's just not good for our little babies, you know what I'm saying? So, it also has the cold shot. Sometimes I just use that while I'm diffusing on warm. Like, usually I do my roots on warm, and then I'll just with the cold. I love how many options it has. It makes it really easy to use, and it also has a high and low option for the air pressure or the air being blown. So that's another huge plus to this diffuser. The next thing is that this diffuser actually is really powerful. Let me just turn it on for you guys to hear this bad boy. The low setting. The high setting. All right, so basically, all that to say is that it dries your hair very efficiently. I don't know for sure if it's like the fastest hair dryer out there, but I think it definitely gets the job done in a quick amount of time. So, one of the last things is that I think my curls always turn out amazing and defined My hair looks a little bit more poofy than usual. It's because it's a little heavier. I kind of went a little more on the moisture today than I did on the gel, so that's my fault, not the diffuser's fault. So bear with me if you're like, why is it looking a little weird? It happens. We're human. Curls aren't always exactly how we want it to look. But this diffuser makes your curls look really defined, smooth, and honestly, it helps with frizz a lot. I usually have a halo of frizz, which I kind of still do, but it's usually a lot more noticeable. But ever since I've been using this diffuser, it's really helped with my frizz levels, which is crazy because I always have frizz, no matter what. No matter what videos I try to do or fix it, I just have it, and also I don't really care. But yes, it is incredible for your curls. I really hope I'm not being annoying. I'm having a good time. I hope you're all having a good time. Okay, but the last and final incredible thing about this diffuser is that, guys, it is only $31. $31. Like, I know that's probably the average price for diffusers, but for like what it can do, for the size, for the benefits, it is so flippin' cheap. Like 31, I was shocked. I was like, how is this thing only $31? I know it's Revlon, I know it's not a designer like a Dyson or a Diva Curl one, but guys, honestly, okay, do your thing if you want to waste your money on something super expensive. I get it, but this is so much better. You're gonna save money, your hair's gonna look great, you can travel with it, you can store it away so much quicker. Guys, this is the diffuser you need. Okay, so I will have that diffuser linked below. You can shop it from my Amazon store because if you purchase anything from my Amazon store, it will help me out in just a small amount of ways. You will not be charged extra. It'll literally just help your girl out. So I really appreciate it. If you click that link and if you want to purchase it, purchase it. If you don't, don't. If you want to gift it because it's the holidays, gift it because it is so cheap, and be looking out for those sales. Because it might be on sale again, we don't know yet. But yes, it'll be linked, that's the final say, but I will go through one last time what I think the highlights were, is that it's lightweight, it's easy to hold, takes less space, it's travel friendly, hot, warm, and cool switch, high and low switch, dries hair efficiently, your curls always look amazing after using this bad boy, and again, it's only $31. Okay guys, yay! I hope this video was helpful, educational, and I hope it gave you an idea of what this diffuser is, what she can do for you, and if it's worth the purchase. Personally, I think it is totally Curly Girl approved. I think it is worth the purchase, but no pressure about buying it. But yeah guys, that was fun. I had a good time. Thank you so much for watching, and tune in next time for more vids with lids.